Hi everyone, here is my income report of all my niche websites for the month of September. So let me get started. There are two highlights for the month. Number one, I moved my primary website to MEDIAVINE, from EZOIC to MEDIAVINE. I also created a video. If you are not yet watched, please go and check it out. And second highlight is I made some sales in Amazon Germany as well. So a new revenue stream got started in this particular month, in the month of September basically. So these are the two highlights. Let me take you through other details and other data points now. So here is the summary. Altogether, it's $2,616.56 for the month of September total revenue. And from the contributors point of view, typically every month you would have observed EZOIC used to be the primary revenue source, but for this month it's a MEDIAVINE. As you know, I moved primary site to MEDIAVINE, so it brought about $1,396.86. You can see in the last column. That's the primary revenue source for the month of September, followed by EZOIC. EZOIC brought about $606.10. Then next candidate is Amazon US, $517.51, followed by Amazon Canada and Amazon UK. So here is the last item. You can see $6.04 from Amazon Germany. This is the new candidate for new entry for this month. Earlier there was no revenue from this region. So it made some sales in the month of September, so which brought about $6 revenue, and from Amazon India about $6. So this is the summary. And from the site, if we look at the by site, as usual, site number 1, the primary contributor about $2,173.09, followed by site 7. This is the site that I bought about 6 months back, which brought $318.70 for the month of September, and followed by site 3, which is about more than a year old, $68.51, and then remaining sites actually contributing little bit. Site 6, you can see here, from EZOIC there is no revenue, only Amazon US only 20 cents. EZOIC, the reason is last month I added this site to EZOIC, but unfortunately in the first week of September I got an email from EZOIC saying that there is some invalid traffic onto the site, so they had to pause the ads on the site. So then a lot of mail exchanges happened to share the details and all those things. Finally, just about a couple of days back, I got an email that more or less it's looking good, and we may actually see the ads again on the site. So for at least for entire month of September, there were no ads on the site. So that's why you can see 0. Hopefully, I think in October we should see some revenue from EZOIC, if not too much, but maybe few dollars. So that's the summary. Altogether, if you see the summary, it is about $2,616.56. That's the total revenue for the month of September. If you remember, and compared to the last month, previous month, it is nearly about 20% increase. In the month of August, it was about $2,200, and now you can see $2,600, about nearly 20% increase from last month. That's from the revenues point of view. And now these are the quick screenshots from Amazon. You can see $613.59 from all the geographies. So here is the new entry. Germany is the new entry. And then, so this is from both, for the site 1 alone, from both EZOIC as well as MEDIAVINE. You can see the EZOIC revenue till 7th of September. On 7th, actually, I moved the site to MEDIAVINE. So from 8th onwards, I started seeing revenue on MEDIAVINE. So MEDIAVINE brought about $13.96 and EZOIC about $273 for initial 7 days. So that's the summary for site 1. And then site 3. So if you see here, the revenue from EZOIC alone about $53.68. Then site 4 just $13.47, and then site 7 about $265.17. So this is that's the complete summary about the revenues for the month of September. Coming to the expenses, so as usual, the main contributor is content. You can see here altogether $640. followed by images, followed by basically the EZOIC premium cost. Last month also I paid $220. So most likely next month this is going to come down because my now revenues have gone down, so it will get downgraded. Most likely it may go into $110 bracket. So at least for the last month it is still $220. So what happened is, because this is a prepayment, you need to pay in advance, because I already paid the heavy premium and I moved my first site to MEDIAVINE. You can see there is a high jump with respect to premium for other sites. This is a site 7. You can see the top tower is mainly the premium and bottom is the normal revenue. Every site you can see the huge jump. This is because I was already into the 220 plan and site 1 I removed. So I think they were doing some distribution of that premium onto the other side. That's why there is a revenue is little high for the remaining sites. Most likely I think next month I'm expecting that it may slightly come down. So these are the costs, and no new items as such. Basically the content, images, hosting, EZOIC premium and Genius Link, that's about it. One new thing, that entry you can see here is site number 9. So there is a new site I'm planning to launch in the month of October. So I started getting some content done, going slightly slow, but there is a plan to launch in the month of October. So because that's the new entry, that's actually the cost that contributed about $142 for last month. Okay, so altogether it is $950.33 is the expenses cost for the month of September. And if you look at the profit and loss for the month alone, for September alone, revenues 2616 and total expenses 950. So net to net it is $1,666.23 is in profit for the month of September alone. So let me take you through the entire cumulative revenues and expenses. Cumulative, you see, it is total $19,353.21. Till August it was $16,736, and then September, as we just saw, 2616 is the revenue. So if you add it up, total altogether $19,353.21. That's the cumulative revenue till now from all the niche websites. And then expenses, you can see altogether it is $13,239.70. Again, till August it was $12,289, and September we just saw $950. If you add that to the previous amount, it is altogether $13,239.70. That's the total expenses, cumulative expenses for all the sites till now. How is the profit and loss looking cumulative till now? Here it is. Total revenues $19,353.21. Total expenses $13,239.70. So if you deduct net to nets, the portfolio is in green, in profit, with $6,113.51 as the profit amount. That's how the portfolio balance sheet is looking like. In addition to that, unrealized amount. So this is actually cash on hand. That means it's all realized amount. But site 1 has been steadily increasing with respect to revenue. So for last month, 6 months average, it is now $1,786. So even if we take about the 30x valuation of the site, it comes at about $53,481.40. That is unrealized amount. If I sell the site now, I can expect more or less this. Of course, there may be some little plus or minus. It all depends on the buyer seller situation at that time, but this is the typical industry standard average calculation. So that's the valuation as considering 6 months average. So those are the details with respect to entire portfolio till the month of September, as well as till the month of September. So if you have any specific questions related to any of the details I shared, please do ask in the comment section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.